Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie, is in the corner staring at me right now as I film this to make sure I don't mess up. Today, super exciting, we're gonna make pumpkin fudge from the Candy Palace and Candy Kitchen in Walt Disney's Disneyland Park. I actually wanted to do this for Halloween, but I didn't get a chance to. So now it's the first week of November, so we're gonna do it for fall and Thanksgiving, and it's still pumpkin season, so why the heck not, right? So can't wait, super excited. I love when we get these recipes right from Disneyland. And I have to be honest here though, I have not had the pumpkin fudge at Disneyland, but I've had it in Walt Disney World, and I sort of forget where I got it when it was a couple years ago, but I'm assuming it's pretty much the same thing. So let's get started. This is fun. Happy fall, happy Thanksgiving, happy pumpkin season. Okay, so it's now time to try this. This is a gigantic piece. I probably should have cut these cut these a little bit smaller. It says cut them like into 1-inch pieces, I think. Yeah, I don't know. This is ridiculous, is what it is. Yeah, and some of the chips didn't melt, so you can kind of see the chips in there, but that's okay. I think it'll still taste exactly the same. All right, so let's try this. Let's see if it is as good as the Disneyland version. Look how thick that is, wow. Wow. That is delicious. If you like pumpkin, and I love pumpkin, this is fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love it. You can really taste the pumpkin. You can taste the white chocolate chips as well. The syrup, I can actually taste the maple syrup in here too. Wow, this is delicious. I'm gonna give this, honestly, I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10. I don't think I've ever given a 10. Maybe a 9.5. This is fantastic. I'm gonna freeze some of this because I made so much. Yes, definitely make this for Thanksgiving or just for the fall. This week, make it this week. You know, make it for Christmas, make it for Easter, whatever. This is great, so good. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you can also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does. She does it every single day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. Leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. I can attempt to do that. Keyword being attempt. And you can also, there's one last thing. Oh yes, you can ring the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.